Hello, good morning students. Welcome to the Math Origin. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation. Very interesting chapter 9 from intermediate first year 1B Telugu Academy. Okay, this is one of the vast chapter. Chala problems ఉంటాయి ఇందులో and very easy chapter. I will explain each and every problem in detail. Okay, basic definition of the differentiation. Differentiation is finding the derivative of any function, like finding the derivative of any function. I can say like rate of change of one variable to the another variable. Example, if we have any function f of x, making its derivative, finding its derivative. Like there are few specific standard formulas for the for differentiation of like derivative of any function. Example, for any derivative of a constant value with which will not involve with any xy terms, the value will be constant. The value of a constant will be 0. Example, derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of any value 12 is 0. Okay, and also like derivative of x for any constant value is 1. Not constant, for any x value will be 1. X power n is n into x power n minus 1. So like this we have n number of derivatives for each and every function. So for any function derivative is written as f dash x. Okay, it means the function is derivative with respect to the value x. So let's jump into the exercise problem and we'll discuss each and every problem in detail. First question from the first section of exercise 9a. Find the derivatives of the following functions f of x. First one, second, third and fourth. Okay, ఇవి చేసేటప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మీ చేతిలో ఉండాలి. కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కొన్ని షార్ట్ ఫామ్స్లో రాస్తున్నా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ క్యారీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్ దెన్ దెర్ వోంట్ బి ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ we have the following. Let's take it as y is equals to root x. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 plus 2 into x power 3 by 4 plus 3x power 5 by 6. ఓకే, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ రాసా. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని డెరివేటివ్ చేద్దాం. డెరివేటివ్ మీన్స్ dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to x power 1 by 2. We already know the formula for x power n. d by dx of x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. So according to the formula, let's apply it. Now ఇక్కడ x power 1 by 2 ఉంది అంటే x power n d by dx చేస్తే n into x power n minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 into constants. Let write the constant as is, and next we have again x power n. X power n means n into n plus 1, which is 3 by 4 into x power 3 by 4 minus 1 plus 3 into again x power 5 by 6, which is 5 by 6 into x power 5 by 6 minus 1. Then dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, which will be minus 1 by 2 plus 2 ones are 2 twos are, which will be 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 4 minus 1, which is minus 1 by 4 plus 3 ones are 3 twos are, which is 5 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 6. Okay, this can be written as this is also a final answer, but this also can be written as, so from this complete equation 1 by 2 is common, therefore that is equals to 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 3x power minus 1 by 4 plus 5 x power minus 1 by 6 is the dy by dx of the derivative of the first question, first bit. Next second one. Second one, if you see, the question is root of 2x minus 3 plus root of 7 minus 3x. So here it is, we can apply derivative individually because it is having the plus symbol. So for this we have one more formula, like let's consider this as some f of x function and this as g of x function. If we are applying a derivative for fx plus gx, means it will be derivative of fx plus derivative of gx. Okay, the derivative can be applied individually. So let's apply individual derivative, like y is equals to dy by dx. Dy by dx of root of 2x minus 3 plus dy by dx of root of 7 minus 3x. Okay, therefore that is equals to, if you see here, it is root x. Root x means I will write it as 1 by x power 1 by 2. Okay, x power 1 by 2 means now this is in the form of x power n. So x power n means, for x power n we have a formula n into x power n minus 1. So in general, let's take it for root x. Root x means 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, it will be minus 1 by 2. Therefore it can be written as 1 by 2 root x. Okay, we can be written as, so root x can be written as 1 by 2 root x. So here I will write it as 1 by 2 root x into, we have internal value of x is 2x. So internal value differentiation of 2x will be 2, plus in the same way root x, complete value is root x. So I will take the differentiation, it is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 7 minus 3x, and internal derivative is minus 3x. Internal derivative of minus 3x will be minus 3. Therefore that is equals to 2 will be cancelled. Therefore the value is 1 by root of 2x minus 3 minus 3 by 2 root 7 minus 3x is the value for the given equation, differential equation for the given equation. Third bit, x square minus 3 into 4x cube plus 1. Now if you see here, we have f of x into g of x. So applying derivative for f of x into g of x, or I will write it down as, let's take this as u and this as v. So d by dx of u v, now it is in the 2x terms with the multiplication. So we will write it as u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, in the same way let's write it down. So let's take this as value. So u into uv, u into x square minus 3 into d by dx of 4x cube plus 1 plus v means 4x cube plus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 3. Therefore that is equals to x square minus 3 into 4 3, internal derivative of 4x cube will be 4 3 is 12x square. Okay, here if you see, again you can apply the same formula. 4, let's take 4 as a common, and x cube means x power n ante n into x power n minus 1. Therefore 3 into x power 3 minus 1. Therefore that is 3 into 3 power x power 2, and the 3 will be multiplied over here, plus derivative of constant value is 0. Okay, plus 4x cube plus 1 into d by dx of x square is 2x minus d by dx of 3 is 0. Therefore that is equals to 12x square into x square minus 3 plus 2x into 4x cube plus 1 is the final value for the equation. We can further simplify this equation, but I feel till here this is also equation for derivative for the given equation. Now let's take the fourth bit. Fourth bit is also in the format of u and v. For uv we have formula u into d by dx of v. So u minus 3x into d by dx of x plus 1 by x plus v x plus 1 by x into root x minus 3x. Okay, next root x minus 3x into, now if you see d by dx of x plus 1 by x, which is similar to d by dx of f of x plus g of x. So మనం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, ఇండివిజువల్ వాల్యూస్. సో d by dx of x, d by dx of x అంటే ఏమవుతుంది 1 ప్లస్ d by dx of 1 by x. ఓకే, 1 by x అంటే ఓకే 1 by x means I will write it as x power minus 1. So it is in the form of x power n. So x power n means minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1 means n into x power n minus 1. So therefore that equals to minus x power minus 2, which is written as minus 1 by x square. So d by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x into root x. Root x means already we have been derived somewhere. Okay, root x means it is x power 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore that is equals to 1 by 2 root x. So root x will, the differentiation of, sorry, here differentiation d by dx. So differentiation of root x will be 1 by 2 root x minus differentiation of 3x is 3. Is 3. Therefore from this I can write as minus 3x into 1 minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x into 1 by 2 root x minus 3 is the solution for the equation. Fifth bit from the first question of first section. Root x plus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, if you see, the question is in the format of uv. Okay, this is u and this is v. So we all know d by dx of uv is equals to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, according to that, let's write this same equation. Root x plus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 4x plus 2 plus x square minus 4x plus 2 into d by dx of root x, d by dx of root x plus 1. Okay, now it is root x plus 1. Now d by dx of x square minus 4x plus 2, it is of plus with plus and minus, so we can apply derivative individually. So d by dx of x square is 2x and minus d by dx of 4x is 4 and d by dx of 2 is 0. Next, plus x square minus 4x plus 2 into d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. How it became I will tell. And d by dx of 1 is 0. So if you see, root x means I will write it as x power 1 by 2. So now it is in the format of x power n. So x power n means we have formula x power n means differentiation will be n into x power n minus 1. So according to that, if I write this one 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, therefore that is equals to 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. So numerator it is power minus 1 by 2, so denominator it will be 1 by x power 1 by 2, which is root x. So simplified value is 1 by 2 root x. So going forward, let's take root x value as 1 by differentiation value is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, the value is 1 root x plus 1 into 2x minus 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 2 into 1 by 2 root x. Okay, here this is a simplified equation, simplified derived equation for the given question. Next, sixth one, ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m. So let's take this as u, this as v. uv formula we know, right? u ax plus b whole power n into d by dx of cx plus d whole power m plus v cx plus d whole power m into d by dx of ax plus b whole power n. So ax plus b whole power, let's write it as ax plus b whole power n. Now if you see, the complete equation is in the format of x power n. x power n ante n into x power n minus 1. So this will be m into cx plus d whole power m minus n into internal derivative of each value. So internal derivative of cx will be c plus internal derivative of d will be 0. So that it will be into c plus cx plus d whole power m into d by dx of ax plus b whole power n. So it is in the form of x power n. x power n means n into x power n minus 1. So it will be n into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into internal derivative of ax will be a. Okay, now I will write it as ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m minus 1 into mc m into c. Okay, ఇక్కడ కూడా cx plus d whole power m into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into an. Okay, from these two equation, yeah, if I write it down as this value, I will write it here. This is in the form of a power m minus n, which is equals to a power m by a power n. This is power, okay, a power n. So according to that, what I will do here also, ax plus b whole power n minus 1 will be ax plus b whole power n by ax plus b. So from both of them, I will take ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m. I will take common. So I will have this value cm and cm divided by the cx plus d denominator value will be present here, plus here also an by ax plus b will be left over here, is the simplified equation, simplified derivative function for the given question. Seventh one, 5 sin x plus e power x log x. So 5 sin x, 5 into sin x is d by dx of sin x will be cos x, plus now this is in the format of u and v. So for uv we have formula u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So e power x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of e power x. Therefore that is equals to 5 cos x plus e power x into log x differentiation is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of e power x is e power x. So the value will be as is. So this is the final derived equation for the seventh question. Now eighth question we have 5 power x plus log a plus x cube e power x. So 5 power x means it is in the format of a power x. So d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. So according to that, for we have 5 power x, this will be 5 power x log 5. So this will be 5 power x log 5 plus d by dx of log x is 1 by x plus d by dx of uv. So let's apply the uv formula. U into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into d by dx of u means x cube. Therefore this value, let's write it as is log phi plus 1 by x plus x cube. D by dx of e power x is e power x, so this will be e power x plus e power x into d by dx of x cube. X cube is, let's take this as x power n. X power n ante n into x power n minus 1. So according to that, x cube means 3 into x power 3 minus 1, which will be 3x square. Which will be 3x square is the derived equation for derived differentiable equation for the given question. Ninth bit from the first question, e power x plus sin x cos x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x plus, now the value here is sin x into cos x. So fx into u into v, d by dx of u into v. So we know u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So according to that, let's do sin x into d by dx of cos x plus cos x into d by dx of sin x. Okay, therefore the value here is e power x plus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so here it is minus sin x plus cos x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x, therefore that is equals to e power x plus sin x into minus sin square x, cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, cos square x minus sin square is cos 2x, therefore that is equals to e power x plus cos 2x is the differentiated equation of the given question. Here this value is cos 2x. Okay, now 10th question, p x square plus qx plus r by ax plus b. Okay, now if you see the given equation in the form of u by v. Okay, now we need to do differentiation of u by v. Till now we have done differentiation for multiplication. Now we need to do differentiation for division. So for this, the equation is v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. Okay, this is important formula. Please remember how it has been derived. V into denominator into d by dx of numerator minus numerator into d by dx of denominator by denominator square. So according to that, let's write this equation. So this equation, first denominator is ax plus b into, okay, ax plus b into d by dx of u means numerator, which is, let's read, d by dx of px square plus qx plus r minus numerator again px square plus qx plus r into d by dx of ax plus b whole divided by v square means ax plus b whole square. Okay, let's derive it completely, which is equal to ax plus b. Okay, d by dx of px square, p into x square, which will be 2px plus the d by dx of qx is q, and d by dx of r is like a constant value, so it will be 0 value minus px square plus qx plus r into d by dx of ax plus b is a, okay, whole divided by ax plus b whole square. So this is a derived equation, and still we can further derive this equation also. which will be, if you take this equation as 2apx square plus aqx plus 2pbx plus bq minus apx square minus aqx minus ar whole divided by ax plus b whole square. Okay, from this if you take 2apx square minus apx square is apx square. With this, yeah, these two values are done. Next, x values. aqx is cancelled. We have only 2pbx plus 2pbx. We have only one value. Next, bq minus ar plus bq minus ar whole divided by ax plus b whole square is the complete derived equation. 11th bit from the first question, log 7 into log x where x is greater than 0. So look at here carefully. What I will do, I will make this as log e divided by log e of 7 into log x. Okay, ఈ log 7ని నేను log e by log e of 7, ఇక్కడ log base 7 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ నేను log 7 చేసా and I have made it to the denominator and making with log e into log x. So now let's derive it. Okay, this is 1 by log e power 7 log x. Now let's take it as a log x. So log x means 1 by x means log x, and internal derivative of log x is 1 by x is 1 by x. Therefore this can be written as 1 by log e power 7 into x log x. Okay, with this we completed the 11th bit. Now 12th bit. 12th bit we have a question 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Now the equation is in the form of 1 by x. 1 by x means I can write it as x power minus 1. So d by dx of x power minus 1 is x power minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 1. Therefore that is equals to minus x power minus 2, which is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. So for any time if we are doing a derivative for any value, if you are doing a derivative for 1 by x, the value is minus 1 by x square. So I will take this as complete as x. So d by dx of the value is, let's take this as y. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into internal derivative of these values. So internal derivative of ax square is 2ax plus internal derivative of bx is b and internal derivative of c is constant is 0. So the value is minus 2ax plus b into ax square plus bx plus c is the final value for the given bit. 13th bit from the first question, e power 2x into log 3x plus 4. Now if you see the question is in the form of u and v. So uv means we have formula, let's take this as y. Therefore we have dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to e power 2x u into d by dx of log 3x plus 4 plus log 3x plus 4 into d by dx of e power 2x. Therefore that is equals to e power 2x d by dx of log x. Log x means we all know it is 1 by x, 1 by 3x plus 4, and internal derivative of 3x is 3 plus log 3x plus 4 into d by dx of e power x. E power x is e power x and internal derivative of 2x is 2. Internal derivative of 2x is 2. Therefore, the value, simplified value is e power 3 into e power 2x plus 3 into e power 2x by 3x plus 4 plus 2 e power 2x by log 3x plus 4 is the resulted equation for this 13th question. Now 14th, 4 plus x square into e power 2x. Now if you see, this is also in the form of u and v. Okay, now for u and v we have formula. This is y is equals to, so dy by dx is equals to u into u, 4 plus x square into d by dx of e power 2x plus e power 2x into d by dx of 4 plus x square. So from this 4 plus x square into d by dx of e power 2x. E power x is e power x and internal derivative of x, the value is 2. So it will be e power 2x and internal derivative of 2x is 2 plus e power 2x into d by dx of 4 plus x square. So internal derivative d by dx of 4 is 0 plus d by dx of x square is 2x. X square is 2x. So from this what I can do, I will take 2 e power 2x I will take common, then the value is 4 plus x square plus x is the equation, is the simplified equation or a derived equation for the given question. Now 15th one, ax plus b by cx plus d. Okay, this is y. Now the equation is in the form of u by v. If we apply derivative for u by v, which is v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by v square. So according to that, dy by dx is equals to v cx plus d into d by dx of u, d by dx of ax plus b. So let's write ax plus b minus u means ax plus b into d by dx of v ante cx plus d whole divided by v square means cx plus d whole square, cx plus d whole square. Therefore that is equals to cx plus d, let's write cx plus d into d by dx of ax plus b. So d by dx of ax is a and d by dx of b is the constant value, so it is 0 minus ax plus b into d by dx of cx is c plus d by dx of d is 0, so it will be c whole divided by cx plus d whole square. Okay, now from this let's simplify it further. It will be acx plus ad minus acx minus ab by cx plus d whole square. acx is cancelled. From this ad minus, this is bc, ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. With this 15th bit is done. Now 16th one, a power x into e power x square. So this is u, this is v. We know if we take this as y, dy by dx equals to u a power x into d by dx of e power x square plus v means e power x square into d by dx of a power x. Okay, now from this a power x, d by dx of e power x square. So let's take first e power x, let's consider this as x. So derivative of e power x is e power x. So it will be e power x square, and internal derivative of x square, internal derivative of x square is 2x into 2x plus e power x square into here d by dx of a power x. We know a power x means the derivative of a power x is a power x log a. Therefore, we can directly write as a power x into log a. Okay, from this if I take common as a power x e power x square means a power x e power x square, I will take common 2x plus log a. So if you see a power x e power x square is y is equals to a power x e power x square. Therefore that is equals to here dy by dx is equals to y into 2x plus log a is the derived derivative function for the given question. With this we completed the first question all bits. Second question from the first section. If f of x equals to 1 plus x square so on till x power 100, then find f dash of 1. Okay, now let's first find out the f dash of x. F dash of x means f dash of 1 is 0 plus f dash of x is 1 plus f dash of 2 is 2x plus 3x square and so on till last value will be 100 into x power 99. Now we got f dash of x, but while adding the f dash of 1, so let's substitute 1 in place of x. So f dash of x equals to, this will be 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 and so on plus 100. So now if you observe this is starting from 1 till 100 means these are like natural numbers 100. So we have formula sum of n, we have formula sum of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So n denotes the last number in the natural number series. If you are taking 5 as the last number, so it means 1 2 3 4 5. So the sum of these values will be 5 into n means 5 into 5 plus 1 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 3, therefore it is 15. Now you can do manual addition also. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So we got 15. So for small values, yes, we can do manual addition, but if it is a big value, if it is 60, 70, 80, then if you substitute the value in this, it will be exact value. So we want sum of natural numbers which starts with 1 till 100 with sum, we need to do the sum. So sum, we have formula n into n plus 1 means n into 100 into 101 means n plus 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2 50s are. So therefore that is equals to 101 into 50, 5 ones are 0, 5 ones are 5 and 0. Therefore that is equals to 50, 50 is the sum of these values. With this we completed the second problem from first section. Now third problem from the first section. If f of x equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 5, then prove that f dash of 0 plus 3f dash of minus 1 equals to 0. So now let's find out the f dash of x. F dash of x means differentiation of the given function. So f dash of x equals to differentiation of 2x square is 2 into x square is 2x plus differentiation of 3x is 3 plus differentiation of minus 5 is 0. Therefore that is equals to 4x plus 3. We got f dash of x. Now let's substitute f dash of 0. F dash of 0 is equals to, f dash of 0 is f of, in place of x let's substitute 0 plus 3. Therefore that is equals to 3. Now let's take this f dash of minus 1. F dash of minus 1. Therefore that is equals to, equation is 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Therefore that is equals to minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So now let's substitute these two values in this equation. Each equation substitute them. F dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of f dash of minus 1. Okay, therefore that is equals to, this is equals to 0. So f dash of 0 is 3 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1. F dash of minus 1 is minus 1 equals to 0. So 3 minus 3 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0. LHS equals to right hand side. Hence we proved that f dash of 0 plus 3 f dash of minus 1 equals to 0. With this we completed the third problem from the first section. దీంతో ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్లో ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ బీన్ రిజాల్వ్. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా, ఏమైనా క్వెరీస్ ఉన్నా, ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ కొంచెం డిఫికల్టీగా ఉన్నా, యూ కెన్ డ్రాప్ అన్ ఈమెయిల్, యూ కెన్ డ్రాప్ అ మెయిల్ ఎట్ themathorigin@gmail.com. First bit from the first question of second section. Find the derivatives of the following functions from the first principles. Okay, first principles means, yeah, till now we have been resolved all the questions in by using the formula of derivatives. But actually how we can get the how we can get the value of derivative, let's see. Let I be an interval. Okay, it means, yeah, any values from this like I can say r, all real numbers, and such that function f maps I to r. Okay, functions I maps I to r, and inside this I we have a value x. Okay, the value x lies within the interval of I. Okay, and there is also a small value, there is also a small value h, such that like x belongs to I and also x plus h also belongs to I. X belongs to I and also x plus h also belongs to I, such that limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is the actual derivative function of any given value. For example, for this respective value, if we are applying the x plus h, f of x plus h minus f of x by h value, like by substituting those values in this formula, we will get an actual derivative of the function. But yeah, in our earlier problems we have been derived in such a way like x power n, it means n into x power n minus 1. Those are like short forms which we are using in the formulas, but the actual derivative can be derived, the actual derivative has been derived from this theoretical process or the formula. So in such that also modulus of h not equals to 0, and the function f is called as a derivative, and this completely is a derivative function of the given question. Okay, with this formula let's derive the first question. But in general x power n means, we divide x of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. According to that, x cube means 3 into x power 3 minus 1, which is 3x square. Okay, we know this value, but by using the first principle, let's derive this value. Okay, let's do f of x plus h means, in x place let's write it f of x plus h. Okay, minus f of x by h. Okay, f of x plus h, instead of x let's write x plus h, means x plus h whole cube minus f of x means x cube by h. Okay, therefore that is equals to a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, a here, a b square minus x cube by h. Okay, now if you see x cube is cancelled. From all these three, also we forgot that limit h tends to 0. Okay, let's put limit h tends to 0. Now from all the remaining values h is common, therefore if I take h as common, h square plus 3x square plus 3xh by h. h is cancelled. Also we have limit h tends to 0. Okay, now we have been completely we have been simplified this equation. Now let's apply h tends to 0. Let's apply h tends to 0, which is 0 square plus 3x square plus 3x into 0. Therefore, that is equals to, this is 0, this is 0. The value is 3x square. The value is 3x square, which is the derivative function of this question, which is 3x square, which we got it from formula x power n, which is n into x power n minus 1. So, in the similar way, let's derive this second bit, x power 4 plus 4. We need to write the formula. We know limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So, in x, let's write out x plus h. So, that is x plus h whole power 4 plus 4 minus f of x, means x power 4 minus 4 by h, which we have limit h tends to 0. So, minus 4 plus 4 is cancelled. So, from this x power 4 whole power 4, instead of that, what I will do, I will write it here, the formula x plus h whole power 4 means whole square. First, internally I will simplify it, which is x square plus h square plus 2xh whole square. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's take this as a and this as b, and let's do a plus b whole square, which is x square plus h square whole square, a square plus b square means 4x square h square plus 2ab, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 4xh into x square plus h square. Okay, now here let's simplify further this one, x power 4 plus h power 4 plus 2 x square h square, and also 4x square is 6 x square h square plus 4x cube h, or else let's write it as is 4xh into x square plus h square. Okay, now if you see, I will substitute this simplified value over x plus h whole power in x plus h whole power 4. Therefore, that is equals to x power 4 plus h power 4 plus 6x square h square plus 4xh into x square plus h square by h. Also, we have minus x power 4. Okay, from this x power 4 is cancelled. From these three values, h I will take common. H, if I take common, it will be h cube plus 6x square h plus 4x into x square plus h square. Okay, so whole divided by h. H is cancelled. Now what I will do, I will apply this limit h tends to 0. If I apply limit in the equation, that will 0 plus 6x square, which also is 0, plus 4x into x square plus 0, which is 4x cube, is the simplified derived equation for derivative for the given equation. With this, we completed the second bit from the first question of second section. Third bit from the first question of second section, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we all know the formula, f dash x is equals to f of x plus h minus f of x by h, where limit h tends to 0. Okay, now let's apply it. F of x, let's first do f of x plus h. Therefore, that is equals to a into x plus h whole square plus b into x plus h plus c. Therefore, that is equals to ax square plus ah square plus 2axh plus bx plus bh plus c. Okay, now f of, let's complete formula, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Therefore, that is equals to f of x is f of x plus h, ax square plus ah square plus 2axh plus bx plus bh plus c minus f of x, means minus ax square minus bx minus c whole divided by h. Therefore that is equals to ax square is cancelled, bx plus c minus bx minus c is cancelled. So the remaining values are ah square 2axh bh. So from this I will take h as common. So ah plus 2ax plus b and whole divided by h. H is cancelled. Now let's apply the limit h tends to 0. Okay, now limit h tends to 0 means let's apply in place of h, let's put 0. Therefore this is 0 plus 2ax plus b. Therefore the value is 2ax plus b. With this we completed the third bit. Now fourth bit. Fourth bit also let's first do f of x plus h. Let's apply f of x plus h. Therefore that is equals to root of x plus h plus 1. Okay, x plus h plus 1. Now f of x plus h minus f of x by h, which is equals to root of x plus h plus 1 minus root of x plus 1 by h. Let's do rationalizing. Okay, means a plus b by a minus b. So x plus h plus 1 minus root of plus x plus 1 by root of x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1. Okay, I will continue here this value. So in the numerator is a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to, now in the numerator it is a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, which is x plus h plus 1 a square minus b square minus x minus 1 by h, this one as is, and the remaining was x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1. Okay, now in the numerator minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled and h is cancelled. Therefore that is equals to limit h tends to 0 1 by root of x plus h plus 1 plus root of x plus 1. So now let's apply h tends to 0. Therefore that is equals to 1 by root of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1, that is equals to 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 is the simplified derivative value for the root of x plus 1. Fifth bit from the first question of second section, sin 2x. Okay, sin 2x, let's take the f of x plus h. Okay, therefore that is equals to sin 2 into x plus h. Now let's apply the formula f of x minus f of x. Therefore that is equals to sin, let's write it, 2x plus 2h minus sin 2x. Okay, sin 2 of x plus 2x plus 2h minus sin 2x, which I have been written. Now if you see, this is in the form of sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d. Okay, we have the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, according to that, let's write this value. Therefore that is equals to 2 into cos c plus d by 2. C means this complete value as c and this is d. Okay, so 2 cos 2x plus 2h c plus d plus 2x by 2 into sin c 2x plus 2h minus 2x by 2. Okay, therefore that is equals to 2 cos 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 2h. It will, if I take 2 common, it will be 2x plus h by 2 into 2x is cancelled, h 2 is cancelled, we have sin h. Okay, now we got f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, now also we have we will be having whole divided by h. Okay, if you are taking like this, whole divided by h, here also whole divided by h. Okay, now I will apply this h only to this value, because in numerator everything is multiplication, so I will take only for this. That is equals to 2 cos 2 is cancelled, 2x plus h into sin h by h. Sin x by x, we also have one more formula, sin x by x is 1. So in the similar way, sin h by h is also this is also equals to 1. Therefore that is equals to, we have simplified value 2 cos 2x plus h. Let's apply limit for this. Limit h tends to 0. Therefore that is equals to 2 into cos 2x. Okay, therefore the simplified value for the derived value for the sin 2x is 2 cos 2x, where h is 0. Okay, let's derive for the same for cos ax. So let's first f of x minus f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x, that is equals to cos a into x plus h minus cos a. Okay, now if you see here, now we have cos c, this complete thing let's take as c, this is cos d. We have formula cos c minus cos d is equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, sin c minus sin d we have for earlier problem. Now here we have cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, according to that, let's derive these values. Sin c minus sin d. So minus 2 sin c plus d. C is ax plus ah c plus d plus a by 2 into again sin ax plus ah minus a minus a sorry ax minus a, this is ax, so minus ax, this is ax. Okay, divided by 2. Minus ax plus ax is cancelled. From here also minus 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 into sin ah by 2 whole divided by, also like if you see here we will be having h according to the formula. So now I will put whole divided by h, and the whole divided by h I will make only for the sin h. And if you see sin ax by x, here sin x by x is there, right? Now if I take sin ax by x is a. So in the similar way, sin a by 2 h by h will be, this complete value will be a by 2. Okay, ee value mottam a by 2 avutadi. So now we have the simplified value minus 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 into a by 2. 2 is cancelled. Okay, 2 is cancelled. Now we have minus a sin 2ax plus ah by 2. Here we have limit h tends to 0. h tends to 0. Let's apply h tends to 0. h kanaka 0 avute ee only ee value 0 avutadi. So the simplified value is minus a sin 2ax, ఇది ప్లస్ 0 అయిపోతుంది by 2. 2 cancel, therefore that equals to minus a sin ax is the derived equation, derived value for the cos ax. Okay, మీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే yes you can drop an email at themathorigin@gmail.com. definitely we will respond for your questions. 7th bit from the first question of second section, tan 2x. Okay, we know for f dash x we have formula, first principle f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, so for this now f of x plus h minus f of x is equals to tan 2 into x plus h minus tan 2x. Okay, this one I will write it as sin 2 x plus h by cos 2 x plus h minus sin 2x by cos 2x. Okay, from this it will be sin 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus sin 2x. Okay, sin 2x, cross multiplication, sin 2x into cos 2x plus 2h whole divided by cos 2 into x plus h into cos 2x. Okay, now from this, if you see here, sin c, let me give you the insight of it. We know sin of a plus b formula. Okay, I will write it here. Sin of a plus b is equals to sin a cos b. Let's take sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. If you see here, this is sin a and cos b. Here we have cos a and sin b. Therefore, I can write it as sin a minus b. Therefore, that is equals to sin a minus b. A is 2x plus 2h minus b is 2x. Okay, whole divided by the same value, cos 2 of x plus h into cos 2x. Okay, now from this sin 2x is cancelled and we have only sin 2h by cos 2 of x plus h into cos 2x. Okay, for actual formula we have h in the denominator, so complete divided by h, here also complete divided by h, and here it will be like into h. So from this, if you see, I will take only this value. Okay, for this value it will be, this is sin 2h by h, which is equals to 2, because we already learned sin x by x is 1, sin ax by x is a, sin 3x by x is 3. So now for this we got 2 whole divided by the value is cos 2x plus h into cos 2x. Okay, and also we have limit h tends to 0. Now let's substitute h equals to 0 here. Okay, if you substitute h equals 0, the value will be cos 2x into cos 2x, which will be 2 by cos square 2x, which is 2 into cos square 2x, it will be secant square 2x is the value for the tan 2x, derived value for the tan 2x. Yeah, madhyalo ekkada confuse aina, no problem, don't worry, please go through this step by step and definitely you will get the solution. If you didn't get, yes, you can drop an email at the themathorigin@gmail.com. Okay, next cot x. Cot x for f of x plus h minus f of x is equals to, cot x means cos x by sin x. Okay, cos x by, okay, I will write it here, which is cos x by sin x. Okay, therefore that is equals to cos of x plus h by sin of x plus h minus cos of x by sin x. Let's do cross multiplication, which is cos x plus h into sin x minus cos x into sin x plus h whole divided by sin x into sin x plus h. Okay, now if you see the similar formula, if you see here, sin a minus b equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here you can take this as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Therefore, that is equals to, the value is sin a minus b. A value is x minus h. Okay, whole divided by the same sin x into sine x plus h. From this x is cancelled. Sine of minus h is minus sine h. I can write as minus sine h. Also, as I mentioned earlier, we will be having denominator h according to the formula. So, whole divided by h. Here also I will make it as sine h by h into 1 by sine x into sine x plus h. So, sine h by h is 1, therefore that is equals to 1. Here I will apply limit h tends to 0, h will be 0, therefore the value is sin x into sin x, which is sin square x. Sin square x in the denominator, it will be cosecant square x. Therefore the value of the cot x is minus cosecant square x. Ninth bit, secant 3x. Okay, let's rub this. Secant 3x, let's do, which is, we can write as 1 by cos 3x. Okay, now let's do f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, therefore that is equals to 1 by cos 3 of x plus h minus 1 by cos 3x. Okay, therefore that is equals to cos 3x minus cos 3 of x plus h by cos 3x into cos 3 of x plus h. Okay, now if you see here, cos c minus cos t, we have formula. Let's write in the black pen. Cos c minus cos d is equals to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, cos c okay, cos c minus cos d, which will be minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 3x plus 3x plus 3h c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 3x minus 3h by 2. Okay, and whole, we have whole divided by the same value, cos 3x into cos 3 into x plus h. Also for the formula we have by h. Okay, here also whole divided by h, here also into h. Okay, now if you see minus 3x is cancelled. Yeah, from this minus 2 sin 6x means 6x plus 3h by 2. Okay, if I 6x plus 3h by 2 sin into, here it is minus into sin minus 3h by 2, it will be minus 3 by 2 into sin h. I will make this h in for the sin h, and whole divided by cos 3x into cos 3 into x plus h. So sin h by h is 1. So from this 2 is cancelled, minus into minus plus, therefore that is equals to 3 sin, if I take 3 common, it is x plus h by 2. No, let it be. So 6x plus 3h by 2 whole divided by cos 3x into cos 3 of x plus h. Now let's apply limit h tends to 0, therefore that is equals to, which will be that is equals to 3 sin 6x plus 0 by 2, which will be 3x whole divided by cos 3x into h plus 0, therefore it is cos 3x. Therefore that is equals to 3 into secant x. For this sin, let write it, sin 3x by cos 3x into 1 by cos 3x. Okay, just I have been written sin 3x by cos 3x into 1 by cos 3x. Therefore, which will be written sin 3x by cos 3x is tan 3x into 1 by cos 3x is secant 3x. Therefore, this is the derived value for the secant 3x. Okay, now let's take the next question. For f of x plus h is equal to x plus h into sin of x plus h minus, okay, now let's write f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to x plus h into sin of x plus h minus x sin x minus x sin x. Therefore, that is equal to, from this two I will take x value as common. X, if I take common, which is sin x plus h minus sin x, okay, minus sin x, plus this value will be remaining h sin of x plus h. Okay, now x sin x plus h minus x sin x, I have taken x as common. Therefore, sin x plus h minus sin x is common, plus h into this value, h into sin x plus h is remaining value. Now, if you see here, this is sin c minus sin d. Let's write the formula over here. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, let's apply that value here. Therefore, that is equals to x into sin c minus sin d, which is 2 cos c plus d, 2 cos c plus d, x plus h plus x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 plus h into sin x plus h. Okay, from this x plus x minus x is cancelled. Therefore, that is equals to 2x. Here we have cos x plus x, 2x by 2 is x plus h by 2 into, here the value is sin h by 2. If you remember, we have, okay, if you remember, for complete thing we have h. So, for whole thing we will have h divided by h. So, if here we have arithmetic operator minus or plus. So, then we will have for this value we will be having h, and for this value we will have h. Okay. Now, if you see here, 2x cos x plus h by 2 into sin 1 by 2 into sin h by h, therefore, that is 1 plus h is cancelled, we have sin x plus h. Okay, now let's apply the limit h tends to 0, therefore, that is equals to 2x cos x, here it is 1 by 2, no, 2 is cancelled, there won't be 2, x cos x plus sin x. Okay, therefore, the resulted value is x cos x plus sin x for the given question, x sin x. With this we completed the 10th bit from the first question. 11th bit from the first question of second section, cos square x. We know f dash x means f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, now let's do f of x plus h minus f of x, that is equal to cos square x plus h minus cos square x. Okay, now if you see, this is in the form of cos square a minus cos square b. The form is minus sin x plus b into sin x minus b, a minus b. So, from this x is cancelled, therefore, that is equals to minus sin 2x plus h into sin h. Also, we will, according to the formula, we will have whole divided by h. Here also it will be whole divided by h. Here whole divided by h, I will make it here. Okay, sin h by h, which is equal to 1. Therefore, that is equal to minus sin 2x plus h. Now I will apply limit h tends to 0. Therefore, that is equals to minus sin 2x is the derived derivative of the cos square x. With this, we completed the 11th bit from the first question, and all bits have been completed from the first question. First bit from the second question of second section. Question 1 minus x root x by 1 plus x root x. Okay, let's take this as y is equals to. Now we need to find the derivative of the following functions. Okay, so if you see, the question is in the form of u by v. U by v means d by dx of u by v means v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. Okay, so దీని ప్రకారం ఇదే రాసుకుందాం. సో డినామినేటర్ v అనుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ రూట్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ d by dx of u, d by dx of u 1 minus x root x minus numerator 1 minus x root x into d by dx of 1 plus x root x. Okay, 1 plus x root x whole divided by v square means 1 plus x root x whole square. This is dy by dx is equals to, so is equals to 1 plus x root x into d by dx of 1 is 0 minus here it is x root x. X root x means I will show you x into root x, which is equals to x into x power 1 by 2. So this root x I have written as x power 1 by 2. So this will be x power, this is x power 1 into x power 1 by 2 means this is a power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. So equal to that 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, that is equals to x power 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So x root x will be x power 3 by 2. So now it is d by dx of x root x. So d by dx of x power 3 by 2. So it means now it is in the form of x power n. So x power n ki d by dx ఏమవుతుంది n into x power n minus 1. So according to that d by dx of 3 by 2 of x power 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore, that is equals to 3 by 2 root x. So the value of the x root x is 3 by 2 root x. So we have minus 3 by 2 root x minus 1 minus x root x, it will be as is, and here it will be d by dx of 1 is 0 plus x root x is 3 by 2 root x, 3 by 2 root x. Okay, therefore that equal, let expand the complete equation, and 3 by 2 root x is common in the both. So 3 by 2 root x, if I take common, here it will be minus 1 minus x root x. ఈ మైనస్ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తా. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ x రూట్ x. ఓకే, మైనస్ 1 x రూట్ x. 3 by 2 root x is common. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ whole divided by 1 plus x root x whole power 2. Here also whole divided by 1 plus x root x whole square. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు minus x root x plus x root x cancel, minus minus, so minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. So ఇక్కడ మనకు 3 by 2 root x into minus 2 whole divided by 1 plus x root x whole square. So ఇక్కడ 2 cancel అయిపోయింది. So therefore minus 3 root x minus 3 root x divided by 1 plus x root x whole square is the dy by dx, is the derivative of the given function. Okay, with this we completed the first bit from the second question. Second bit from the second question of second section.
క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్ లాగ్ ఎన్ఎక్స్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో మనం ఏమనుకుందాం దీన్ని, లెట్స్ టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ u and this complete as v. We know u into v, d by dx of u into v is equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. ఓకే, ఇది ఫార్ములా. సో ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ని డిరైవ్ చేద్దాం. సో దీన్ని నేను మొత్తం ఏమనుకుంటున్నా, y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అనుకుంటున్నా. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు u ఇంటూ u అంటే ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ ఇంటూ v డాష్ అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ v డాష్ అంటే n పవర్ x లాగ్ nx హోల్ డాష్ ప్లస్ అగైన్ v ఇంటూ n పవర్ x లాగ్ nx ఇంటూ x power n whole dash means differentiation of this value and differentiation of this value. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే x power n ఇంటూ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అగైన్ u ఇంటూ v బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టూ x టర్మ్స్. సో దిస్ అగైన్ వీ కెన్ టర్మ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ u ఇంటూ v. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ ఇది x power n ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఇక్కడ n power x internal derivative same u into n power x into differentiation of log nx అంటే in general log x ఏమవుతుంది, log x 1 by x అవుతుంది. సో log nx 1 by nx అవుతుంది అండ్ ఇంటూ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ nx is n. సో ఇక్కడ ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే log nx అంటే 1 by nx ఇంటూ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ nx అంటే n. సో n క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు u ఇంటూ v డాష్ అయిపోయింది. v ఇంటూ u డాష్, v అంటే log nx ఇంటూ u డాష్ అంటే n పవర్ x అంటే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ n పవర్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు n పవర్ x లాగ్ n. a పవర్ x అంటే a పవర్ x లాగ్ a. సో అలానే n పవర్ x అంటే n పవర్ x ఇంటూ లాగ్ n. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తా, n పవర్ x ఇంటూ లాగ్ n. సో ఈ వాల్యూ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ వాల్యూ, సో ప్లస్ n పవర్ x లాగ్ nx ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, n ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1, n ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n ఇండివిజువల్ టర్మ్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ పవర్ n పవర్ x బై x. సో ఓకే, ఇండివిజువల్ టర్మ్ చేసేద్దాం దీన్ని. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ డిరైవ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం. n పవర్ x బై x ప్లస్ లాగ్ nx అగైన్ లాగ్ n ఇంటూ n పవర్ x ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ n పవర్ x ఎక్స్ పవర్, ఓకే ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఇదే వాల్యూస్ రాస్తే n పవర్ x లాగ్ nx అండ్ x పవర్ n మైనస్ n మైనస్ 1. సో ఇక్కడ x ఇక్కడ ఉంది, సో డివిజన్లో ఉంది. సో దాన్ని నేను పైకి తీసుకెళ్తాను. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ పవర్ n బై x అదేమవుతుంది ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1. ఓకే, ఇంటూ n పవర్ x ప్లస్ లాగ్ nx లాగ్ n పవర్ x ఎక్స్ పవర్ n. సో ఈ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఈ ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ n పవర్ x వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎక్స్ పవర్ n పవర్ x ఉంది. సో నాకు ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను ఇదే వాల్యూ డిరైవ్ చేసుకుంటా, ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1. ఈ వాల్యూ నుంచి ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 రావాలంటే నేనేం చేస్తాను, ఎక్స్ పవర్ n ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై అండ్ డివైడ్ బై x అని పెట్టుకుంటా. సో ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ బై x ఇంటూ x. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఓన్లీ ఈ వాల్యూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఎక్స్ పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇక్కడ n పవర్ x ఈ వాల్యూ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ x ఇంటూ లాగ్ nx అండ్ లాగ్ n ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఉంది, ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాస్తుంది ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎన్ లాగ్ ఎన్ఎక్స్, ఎన్ లాగ్ ఎన్ఎక్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఈ 3 వాల్యూస్లో ఇందులో అండ్ ఇందులో ఈ మూడిట్లో కలిపి ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్ కామన్ ఉంది. ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్. సో ఆ మూడింటిని కామన్ తీస్తే ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ వన్ ఇంటూ ఎన్ పవర్ ఎక్స్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఇందులో కంప్లీట్ వాల్యూ ఇది. సో 1 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఇది వాల్యూ పోతే ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ లాగ్ ఎన్ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ లాగ్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ ఇందులో కూడా ఈ వాల్యూ తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ ఇంటూ లాగ్ ఎన్ఎక్స్. దేర్ఫోర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద derived differentiation for the given question. With this we completed the second bit from the second question. Now third bit from the second question. The given question is a x power 2n log x plus b x power n e power minus x. So let's take this as y is equals to. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూలో u ఉంది, v ఉంది, ఇందులో సెకండ్ వాల్యూ కూడా u ఉంది, v ఉంది. సో u ఇంటూ v డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ మనకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు, u ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ v ప్లస్ v ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ u. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ a ఒకటి కామన్ తీసేసా కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి. సో ఎక్స్ పవర్ 2n u ఇంటూ v డాష్, v అంటే లాగ్ ఎక్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏంటి 1/x ప్లస్ log x v ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ x పవర్ 2n ఏమవుతుంది 2n ఇంటూ x పవర్ 2n మైనస్ 1 x స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ x పవర్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు n ఇంటూ x పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇది ప్లస్ ద సెకండ్ వాల్యూ b ఇంటూ x పవర్ n e పవర్ మైనస్ x u ఇంటూ e పవర్ x డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ e పవర్ x ఏమవుతుంది e పవర్ x అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది e పవర్ మైనస్ x ఉంది. సో differentiation of e power minus x into minus 1. So that will be e power minus x into minus 1 plus e power minus x power n ante n into x power n minus 1. So ikkada a into x power 2n ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ఎక్స్ ఉంది. సో నేను దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్ తీసుకెళ్తే ఎక్స్ 2n మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ ఏ ఇంటూ 2n లాగ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ 2n మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఈ బీని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నా, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బి ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఎన్ ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద derived equation for the differentiation equation for the given question. Okay, with this we completed the third bit from the second question. Fourth bit from the second question of second section, 1/x minus x whole cube into e power x, differentiation of this value. So దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నా y is equals to 1/x minus x whole power 3 into e power x. Okay, now ఇక్కడ ఇది మొత్తం ఈ వాల్యూ మొత్తం u అండ్ ఈ వాల్యూ v. ఓకే, u ఇంటూ v డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ మనకు తెలుసు, u ఇంటూ d/dx ఆఫ్ v ప్లస్ v ఇంటూ d/dx ఆఫ్ u. ఓకే, ఇది డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ d/dx ఆఫ్ uv. ఓకే, సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ లెట్స్ డివైడ్ ఇట్. సో y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఈ కంప్లీట్ వాల్యూ 1/x మైనస్ x హోల్ క్యూబ్ u ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ x. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ x ఏమవుతుంది ఈ పవర్ x అవుతుంది ప్లస్ v ఇంటూ v అంటే ఈ పవర్ x ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1/x మైనస్ x హోల్ క్యూబ్. ఇది మొత్తం ఒక x టర్మ్ అనుకుంటే x క్యూబ్ అంటే ఏంటి 3x స్క్వేర్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది 3 ఇంటూ 1/x మైనస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ అంటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. సో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ 1/x. 1/x అంటే 1/xని మనం ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఎక్స్ పవర్ మైనస్ 1. ఎక్స్ పవర్ మైనస్ 1 అన్నప్పుడు మనకి ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ వాల్యూ తెలుసు, ఎన్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1. సో దాని ప్రకారం -1 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ -1 అవుతుంది. సో అదేమవుతుంది మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ -2 అవుతుంది. సో అదే ఇక్కడ 1/x డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ -2 ఆర్ యూ కెన్ టెల్ ఇస్ -1/x² అని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. మైనస్ అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఏమవుతుంది, 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఇది ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ 1/x మైనస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఇది మైనస్ మొత్తం కామన్ తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఇక్కడ కామన్ తీసేసి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది మైనస్ 3e పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 1/x మైనస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది 1 ప్లస్ 1/x². Okay, with this is the derived value of the given question. Third question from the second section. Show that the function f of x is equals to modulus x plus modulus x minus 1 x belongs to R is differentiable for all real numbers except for 0 and 1. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన మాడ్యులస్ ఫంక్షన్, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 అనేది ఇట్ షుడ్ బి డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఎట్ ఆల్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ 0 and 1. దాన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు మన ఫంక్షన్ని ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ తీసుకుందాం. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, లెట్స్ టేక్ బోత్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూస్, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2x minus 1 where x is greater than or equals to 1. Okay, now f of x అనేది both are negative తీసుకుందాం. ఓకే, or else ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుందాం. పాజిటివ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 ఇదేమవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. సో నౌ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనే వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్స్ టు కాన్స్టెంట్ వచ్చింది, అంటే ఇది 0 లెస్ దెన్ ఎక్స్ లెస్ దెన్ 1. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు బోత్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్ తీసుకుందాం, మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1. ఓకే, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 మైనస్ 2x ఫర్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వీ నో దట్ for all 2x minus 1 function f of x equals to 2x minus 1 for all x is greater than or equals to 1. ante every polynomial function which is having a value x greater than or equals to 1 is satisfied with this value, with this function. And for f of x equals to 1 is constant for all values between 0 and 1, and function f of x is 1 minus 2x which is for all x is less than or equals to 0. So with this now we need to prove that the values between 0 and 1 should be are not differentiable with this equation. So let's take case 1 as 0. Case 1. So for case 1 is 0. Okay, so let's take it as a r differentiable of 0 plus and differentiable of 0 minus. Our function f dash of 0 is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus right hand 0 plus. So f of x minus f of 0 by x. Okay, now f of x ante ikkada constant value f of x ante enta 0 plus ki constant value 1. So 1 minus f of 0 anna kuda 1 by x, therefore numerator lo 0 by x which is equals to 0. So now left hand differentiation of f of 0, that is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x minus f of 0 by x. Okay, f of x of 0 minus ante ఇది ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది, ఇది ఎంత 1 minus 2x minus 1, f of 0 ante 1. So divided by x, therefore that is equals to 1 minus 1 cancel అయిపోతుంది, x cancel అయిపోతుంది, So the value is minus 2. Therefore r f dash of 0 is not equals to L f dash of 0. Therefore 0 is not differentiable for the given equation. Now let's take the second condition, case 2, which is 1. So for 1, let's take r f dash of 1 is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ f of x కి 1 ప్లస్ అన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది, విచ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. సో విచ్ ఈస్ 2x minus 1 మైనస్ f of 1 ఏమవుతుంది, 1 అవుతుంది by x. Therefore that is equals to 2x minus 2 by x. Okay, now let's take the left hand limit of f dash of 1 equals to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x. Therefore f of x with 1 minus means it will be in the constant value. 1 minus f of 1 is 1 by x. Therefore that is equals to 0. Therefore r f dash of 1 is not equals to L f dash of 1. Therefore the given condition, even the 1 value is also not differentiable for the given equation. Therefore we have proved that 0 and 1 are not differentiable for the given equation. With this we completed the third question from the second section. Fourth question from the second section, verify whether the following function is differentiable at 1 and 3. Function f of x equals to, with the given condition x less than 1, 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3, x is greater than 3. ఓకే, ఈ ఫంక్షన్లో 1 and 3 దగ్గర డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ అవుతుందా అవ్వదా మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ లెట్స్ టేక్ కేస్ 1 యాజ్ 1. ఓకే, ఒక ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ అవునా కాదా తెలుసుకోవడానికి మనం లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్ చేయాలి, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లిమిట్ చేయాలి. సో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు f of x, I can say here limit x tends to 1 minus left hand kabatti negative side f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. So f of x అనేది f of 1 minus అంటే ఎంత, నెగిటివ్లోకి వెళ్తా అంటే ఇది x మైనస్ f of 1 వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే, ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3 minus x. So it will be 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Therefore that is equals to x minus 3 minus 1 into 2. So x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. So this is one equation. Next, right hand limit of f dash of 1 is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1. Therefore that is equals to f of x అనేది x అనేది 1 ప్లస్లో ఉండాలి. 1 ప్లస్లో అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది 3 minus x మైనస్ f of 1 అంటే 1 వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో 3 minus 1 అంటే 2 divided by x minus 1. Therefore that is equals to x minus 1. Therefore that is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 minus x by x minus 1. Therefore that is equals to minus common తీస్తే x minus 1 by x minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to minus 1. Therefore ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే left hand differentiable value is x minus 2 by x minus 1, right hand differentiable value is minus 1. Therefore left function is not equals to right function. Therefore the given function is not differentiable at 1. So inko case 3, second case value is 3. Okay, so x of 3 function, ఈ గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ 3 దగ్గర డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ కదా కనుక్కోవాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేద్దాం, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ 3 తీసుకుందాం. దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు లిమిట్ ఎక్స్ టెన్స్ టు 3 minus f of x minus f of 3 by x minus 3. Okay, therefore that equals to f of x 3 minus లో 3 మైనస్ అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ 3 కన్నా తక్కువ అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో 3 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 3 అంటే వాల్యూ ఎక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం, 3లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 3లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంత 3 మైనస్ 3 0 అవుతుంది, 0 బై ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 3 అవుతుంది. దేర్ఫోర్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పైన మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 3 బై ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 3, దేర్ఫోర్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు లిమిట్ x tends to 3 plus okay, limit x tends to 3 plus f of x minus f of 3 by x minus 3. Therefore that is equals to 3 plus లో f of x 3 plus అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది x square minus 4x minus 3 plus 3 minus f of 3 అనే వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3 అనే వాల్యూ ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 3 minus 3 0 అవుతుంది, divided by x minus 3. Therefore that is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3ని డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ చేసుకుంటే x square minus 4x plus 3ని పార్టీషన్స్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3, x కామన్ తీస్తే x minus 3 minus 1 కామన్ తీస్తే x minus 3. Therefore ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది x minus 1 into x minus 3. సో ఇదే ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ x minus 1 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. సో x minus 3 క్యాన్సల్, therefore that equals to x minus 1. సో ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ వాల్యూ ఏమో -1 వచ్చింది, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ వాల్యూ ఏమో x minus 1 వచ్చింది. therefore left hand differentiable value of 3 is not equals to right hand differentiable of 3. Therefore the given value 1 and 3 are not differentiable for the given function. Hence we completed the fourth question from the second section. The question from the second section is the following function f is derivable at 2. Justify f of x equals to x and the 2 with the given boundary conditions. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే let's do first left hand differentiable of 2. Okay, that is equals to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x minus f of 2 by x minus 2. Therefore that is equals to f of x 2 minus లో అంటే ఈ x వాల్యూ వస్తుంది x minus f of 2 అనేది ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 అవుతుంది, x minus 2 by x minus 2 that is equals to 1. So now let's right hand function of 2 which will be limit x tends to 2 plus, so f of x minus f of 2 by x minus 2, therefore that is equals to f of x 2 plus అనేది ఇక్కడ f of x 2 minus f of 2 ఫంక్షన్ f of x లో f of 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 అవుతుంది, divided by x minus 2. okay, therefore that is equals to 0 by x minus 2 which is 0. therefore ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎంత 1 అండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ డిఫరెన్షియబుల్ ఫంక్షన్ 0 అయితే therefore left hand differentiable is not equals to right hand differentiable of the function 2. therefore 2 is not differentiable for the given equation. okay, దీంతో ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్ సెకండ్ సెక్షన్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది అండ్ 9A ఎక్సర్సైజ్ కూడా మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఈ ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో you can drop an email at themathorigin@gmail.com. okay, thank you for watching the Math Origin.